Hello student, welcome back class 7 chapter 16 electric current and simple circuits. In this chapter student we will discuss about electric current, electric circuit, open and close electric circuit, different symbol of electric circuit and effects of electric current like heating effect, magnetic effect and the working of electric bell. Let's start chapter 16. Electric current and electric circuit. When there is a flow of electric charge through a conductor, it is termed as a electric current. Dear student, जब किसी भी कंडक्टर्स में से इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज फ्लो होता है तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एंड SI unit of current is ampere. What is electric circuit? The arrangement through which an electric current flow in a conductor it is connected to a source of electricity is known as electric circuit. The electric circuit consists of source of electric current, conducting wires, switch to on or off the circuit and bulb to show the flow of current. ओपन एंड क्लोज सर्किट. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट आपको सर्किट डायग्राम में दिख रहा है, एक ओपन सर्किट है. ओपन सर्किट क्या होता है? व्हेन द स्विच इज ऑफ, हम स्विच को ऑफ कर देते हैं, द सर्किट इज ब्रोकन एंड करंट डज नॉट फ्लो थ्रू इट. सच अ सर्किट इज कॉल्ड एज ओपन सर्किट. And second diagram showing the closed circuit. When the switch is on, the circuit is closed and current will flow through it. Such a circuit is known as closed circuit. Symbols of component in an electric circuit. Dear students, there are various component symbols which are used in the electric circuit. First is switch. Open and close switch. What is the switch? Switch is a device that connect or break the circuit according to our convenience. At the same time, it is also essential component of electric circuit to save the electricity. जब हम किसी भी अप्लायंसेस को ऑन या ऑफ करना चाहें तो की या स्विच का यूज़ होता है और इसको हम सर्किट डायग्राम में कैसे डिनोट करते हैं, इसका सिंबल आपको स्लाइड पे शो हो रहा है, ओपन स्विच और क्लोज स्विच का. सेकेंड इज सेल. Cell is a portable source of electric current which has two terminal, positive and negative. Cell has two terminal, positive and negative. When it is connected to a circuit, current flow from the positive end of the cell to the negative end of the cell. Cell are used in a device where small amount of the current is required, such as watches, calculator, clocks, etc. In the cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Second symbol is, student, it is of battery. What is battery? When the number of cells are connected in series, it form a battery. And the symbol of battery, as you can see in the diagram. And battery are used in radio, transistor, torches, where large amount of the current is required as compared to cell. Then we use the battery. Next symbol is of bulb or lamp. A bulb is a appliance or device which give out light when electricity passes through it. Next is the symbol of fuse. Fuse is a safety device which is used in the circuit to protect overheating of the appliances. Next symbol is of voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the potential difference between two terminals of a circuit. What is potential difference? An electric current flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of battery. The differences in electrical potential of two terminals is known as potential differences. Next symbol is of ammeter. What is ammeter? Ammeter is a device which is used to measure the amount of electric current flowing through a circuit. एक सर्किट में कितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ये हम किससे मेज़र कर सकते हैं? एमीटर की हेल्प से. These are the flowing symbols which are used in a circuit. Heating effect of electric current. When current flow through a wire, it offers some resistance to flow of electrons. During this process, electric energy converted into heat energy. This effect of current is known as heating effect of electric current. Dear student, the heating effect of electric current is used in various appliances. For example, bulb. When a bulb is switched on, current flow through the filament that heats up the wire and it glow. Some other appliances such as electric heater, electric toaster, electric iron also use the heating effect of electric current. The heating effect of electric current depends upon flowing factors. Cross-sectional area means the thinner wire more is the heating effect and vice versa. वायर या कंडक्टर जितना थिन होगा उतनी ज़्यादा हीटिंग इफेक्ट होगा और जितना थिक होगा हीटिंग इफेक्ट उतना कम होगा. नेक्स्ट फैक्टर है टाइम. लार्जर द टाइम फॉर विच इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो मोर इज़ द हीटिंग इफेक्ट. जितना ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए करंट फ्लो होगा वो अप्लायंसेस उतना ज़्यादा हीटिंग इफेक्ट देगा. नेक्स्ट करंट. ग्रेटर द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ करंट मोर इज़ द हीटिंग इफेक्ट. अगर हम ज़्यादा हीटिंग इफेक्ट कॉज करना चाहते हैं देन वी हैव टू अप्लाई मोर अमाउंट ऑफ द करंट. इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज. डियर स्टूडेंट, if a large amount of current passes through an appliances, then the wire gets overheated and the appliances may get damaged. To avoid such condition, a safety device known as electric fuse is used. It consists of an wire made up of an alloy of tin and lead with very low melting point. The diagram of electric fuse you can see in the slide. It is shown in the slide. And when the current passes through this wire exceed the maximum limit, it gets heated up. If the temperature of this fuse wire increases its melting point, then it gets melt and quickly break the circuit. This prevent the damage to the appliances. Dear student, now these days another safety device known as miniature circuit breaker or MCB is used in place of electric fuse in household circuits. MCB is a switch that automatically trip down if the current flowing through it exceed the prescribed maximum limit. Thus, it prevents the damage or fire. A fuse or MCB protected the circuit in the case of short circuit and overloading of current. इन आजकल के दिनों में फ्यूज़ की बजाय ये न्यू स्टाइल के फ्यूज़ MCB यानी मिनिएचर सर्किट ब्रेकर यूज़ करते हैं. ये सेफ्टी डिवाइस हैं जो ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप ट्रिप डाउन हो जाते हैं अगर करंट एक्सीड वैल्यूज से ज़्यादा प्रिस्क्राइब वैल्यू से ज़्यादा एक्सीड कर जाता है तो ये अपने आप स्विच ऑफ हो जाते हैं. When too many electric appliances draw large amount of the current at the same time, it is known as overloading. ओवरलोडिंग क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? जब बहुत सारे अप्लायंसेस एक साथ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ करंट ड्रॉन कर रहे हो देन इट इज़ नोन एज ओवरलोडिंग. द लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ करंट कैन हीट अप द वायर टू सच अ हाई टेम्परेचर दैट इट माइट कैच फायर. Magnetic effect of electric current. Dear student, the current carrying wire act as a magnet with a magnetic field around it. The strength of magnetic field depend on the amount of current passing through it. अगर किसी वायर में से करंट फ्लो हो रहा है तो उसके चारों तरफ एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट हो जाता है और वो वायर मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करने लगती है. इसे हम एक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट भी बोलते हैं. हाउ वी कैन मेक एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट? टेक एन आयरन नेल एंड रैप अ कंडक्टिंग वायर अराउंड इट एज अ कोयल. देन कनेक्ट द टू एंड ऑफ द वायर टू द source of electric current and allow the current to pass through it. As you can see in the diagram student, जैसे कि आपको डायग्राम में दिख रहा है कि आयरन नेल के ऊपर वायर को रैप किया है और उसको कनेक्ट किया है सेल के दो एंड के, बैटरी के दोनों एंड के साथ. When the current pass through this, it behave like a magnet, and if we bring some iron clips near it, it will get attracted to it. A magnet formed by such an arrangement is called as electromagnet. An electromagnet acts as a magnet as long as electric current passes through it. It loses its magnetism as soon as current stop flowing. स्टूडेंट्स, हम इस इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट के मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स को इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं. कैसे? बाय इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ कंडक्टिंग वायर and by increasing the strength of current flowing in the circuit. Dear student, electromagnets are used in many ways. They are used to lift heavy iron articles, to separate iron from the garbage. They are also used in various appliances, for example, telephones, electric fans, washing machine, and electric bell. Now we will discuss the working of electric bell, how electromagnet work in an electric bell. An electric bell is based on the principle of magnetic effect of current. The circuit diagram of the electric bell you can see in the diagram or in the slide. Electric bell consists of a electromagnet and it consists switch, hammer, gong, soft iron armature and electromagnet. How does now it work? A horseshoe type of electromagnet is used in an electric bell is connected to the source of electric current through a switch. When the button is pressed, the circuit becomes complete. Current start flowing and thus electromagnet attract the iron rod. The hammer get attracted to the gong and strike it to produce a ringing sound. In this way, a sound can be produced by the electric bell. Dear student, this is all about chapter 16. Have a nice day.